So I want to show y'all how I retwist my hair. In this video, I will show y'all the full process, excluding the wash part. And my hair was not like soaking wet because I washed my hair 2 days ago. So I just used a spray bottle to get my roots wet. But yeah, other than that, I'm just going to show you guys the full process of how I achieve my retwist. Hope you enjoy. I usually do my retwist on freshly washed hair, like right out the shower. I'll probably wait about 10 minutes to just so my hair won't be super soaking wet. I'm out here because my bathroom has a loud vent, and you won't be able to hear me. And I don't want to do a voiceover, so we're doing it out here. So if you're doing your hair, if you're twisting your hair on freshly washed hair, you won't need a mister. But since I'm not doing freshly washed hair, my hair is a little dry, I'm using a mister. And what's in here is rosemary, peppermint oil, and water. And I use the oil to retwist. The sweet almond oil is what I use. You can use any oil that you want. And then I have the silver clips. I have these to keep my hair out of the way when I'm retwisting. And a scrunchie. Right here, I'm applying the sweet almond oil. Yeah, that shit wasn't working, so to the bathroom I go. It's just the same thing over and over. Just spritz my hair with water, add oil, twist it, and then once I'm done twisting, I just add a clip to it. So because your hair has to be completely dry for the retwist to stay, I like to sit under my dryer for 30 minutes. It's a portable hooded dryer. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Just need a blow dryer and a little portable hood dryer thing. I don't know what you call them. Around here so it doesn't come off. I also put it on the lowest heat setting, so I don't want it too hot, burning my scalp or anything. Or I'll use the cool setting on my blow dryer. That's just a little piece, so once it starts, it doesn't fly off of your head. Plug it up and turn it on. So once I feel that my roots are dry, usually it takes about 30 minutes, I just go ahead and take the clips out.